Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of becoming an outlier contributor. So this is the onboarding process. Alright, so there are many people think that once they create an account here on Outlier AI, they can immediately start earning. However, that's usually not the case. Before you can access paid projects, you'll need to complete Outlier's onboarding process, which typically takes 30 to 90 minutes for the initial platform setup. Then after that, you'll complete additional onboarding for each project that you are assigned. Okay, so first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to simply open any of your web browser, okay, and then just search for Outlier AI. Once you're here on their website, okay, so you would be able to see this option at the top, which is the login option. So just simply tap on this one, and then you can create your account using Google or your email. All right, so since Outlier AI is not available in my current region, still I am going to explain to you the things that you have to be aware of if you're planning to, look for freelancing job here on Outlier AI. Okay, so again, during the registration, you will be asked to enter your basic personal information. Let me just look for a specific job right here. Okay, so for example, this one. Okay, so during your application, you have to provide your basic personal information and then make sure that you use your real name because it must match the government issued ID you will submit later for verification. And then the next one is you have to complete your profile. All right, so you'll typically provide your education, your work experiences, skills, languages that you speak in the areas of expertise. And if available, you may also be asked to upload your resume and add your LinkedIn profile. And the more complete and accurate your profile is, the better Outlier can match you with a suitable projects. Now, after that is you have to choose or select your areas of expertise. Okay, this is one of the most important onboarding steps is choosing the subjects that you are qualified in. Examples for writing, coding, mathematics, biology, physics, law, finance, marketing, transition, and data analysis. So you only, select areas where you are genuinely knowledgeable because you may be tested in them later. All right, so honesty is one of the important things that you have to consider when creating your account here on Outlier AI. Okay, now Outlier will then ask you to complete one or more assessments. So the type of assessment depends on your selected expertise. For example, you might answer multiple choice questions, review AI generated responses, solve coding problems, write sample prompts, and complete writing exercises. Also evaluate reasoning tasks. And you just have to take your time and read every instruction carefully. And your performance on these screenings helps determine which projects you're eligible for. And of course, you have to verify your identity or confirm your identity. Now, after passing the initial screening, you will complete identity verification. So you will usually need a valid government issued ID, a mobile phone number, a selfie for identity confirmation. So this step helps ensure that every contributor is a real person and that only one account is used per individual. So identity verification may be approved quickly, although in some cases it can take 1 to 2 days to process. The next one is you have to wait for project matching. Right, so there are so many projects here on Outlier AI. Once you've completed the general onboarding, Outlier system will match you with projects based on your verified skills. All right, your assessment result, your experience, your current project availability, and of course, your location. So keep in mind that completing onboarding does not always mean you will receive work immediately. Some contributors are matched within hours, while others may need to wait longer depending on demand. And then the next one is to complete project specific onboarding. So, for example, you are applying for this job. All right, so you just have to tap on the apply now option. So, when you're assigned to a project, you will complete another onboarding process specific to that project. This may include reading project guidelines, watching the training videos, completing the practice task, and passing a qualification quiz. And only after successfully completing these requirements can you begin working on paid tasks. So every project has different instructions, so don't assume that the rules are the same across all assignments. Okay, now, if you really want to pass the onboarding successfully, okay, so you have to read every instruction carefully before answering. All right, and then never rush through the assessment, and you have to be very honest about your skills and your experience, and use a valid government issued ID for verification. And then you have to keep your resume and LinkedIn profile up to date. So you really need to work on that. If you already have your previous resume, you will need to update that with the new skills that you have acquired, or the skills that would totally help you to pass the onboarding successfully. Okay, and then you have to avoid creating multiple accounts of using VPNs to bypass the location, as this may violate the Outlier's policies and led to account suspicion. Okay, so if you complete all of the onboarding requirements successfully and qualify for available projects, you will be able to start completing AI training tasks and earn according to each project's published pay rate. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to show you this very quickly. So you'd be able to see here the rate per hour, and then the schedule, and then for the this one is remote work, of course, and then you have here now the job details. So before applying for that specific job, make sure that you thoroughly read the job details, so you can answer if they're going to ask you later on about the job that you're applying for. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.